Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be walking around a 1964 C-10 pickup truck. This one is a 283 under the hood. Nice and clean. You can see all the detail that was done to the motor, engine bay, everything's shining. Aluminum radiator. Got the custom cover on the box here. Looks like some nice upgraded pulleys. Truck's looking pretty sweet. I'm gonna walk around, point out any kind of chips, scratches, flaws, anything you need to know. That way you know exactly what you're getting before you get here. This one here has exhaust kicked out to the side, nice tire, spare tire under the back, new chrome bumpers. Beautiful bed. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Also hit like, that helps me out quite a bit. And if you share the video, obviously that's very good for us. We're gonna get started here. I do have finance and shipping available and 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. I also update every Monday with new cars. Let's get close and personal with this one. Like I said, the front bumper, rear bumper has been replaced. The grille looks like it's fairly new as well. Nice and clean. This is like a deep purple paint job. It does have a few flaws. There's some paint bubbles popping up here on the front. Down this side, you got some bubbles popping up. Rust trying to come through. You also got some in the corner of the door here. Coming back to midsection. A few imperfections in the inside there. There's a little ding in the door here and here. Also got a bubble popping up right there. Touch-up marks in the corner here. A little bit of red popping up right there underneath that black paint. Mirror's in good shape. Door handle is fairly new. You got some little spots in the paint job. Just bouncing around on there. Coming around the back window. Does not look bad at all, nice and clean. Top of the fender, or the bed rail, looks good. Tailgate's in decent shape. Rear bumper's new. Go ahead and check the bed out. Shining like crazy in here. It looks awesome. Gonna do the same thing, running down the lower portion on this side, hitting the middle, and finishing on the top. You got a lot of touch-up marks back here. There's one there. You see all these little dots, corners, all the way around. There's a bunch of little touch-up marks. All the burnouts. Go down the lower portion. You got some little spots popping up here. Door's hanging a little bit on this side. See how it's sticking out? Make sure it's all the way shut. It is. Rust popping up in the same corner as the passenger side. Also got some chips. More rust. Coming up over the fender. Little bubble in the paint there. down the midsection. You got some bubbles popping up right over here in that whole little area. A little run in the paint there. Some more touch-up marks. New gas cap, door handle's nice and clean. This is like a chemical reaction. There's a couple of little bubbles, real small little bubbles. When they painted the truck, they may have had some like armor all or silicone in the air. I've seen that, and it's the same little spot by this emblem. That looks like the chemical peel is what I call it. Just the environment where they painted it. There's some right here on top of this too. I don't know if you can see that. Like little bitty acne spots, just absolutely tiny. Coming down the bed rails. Checking the roof out. Okay, we made it all the way around this ride. Let's go ahead and check out the interior, get her started up, and get some undercarriage shots. As you open the door, nice and clean. Looking at your jams, they look great. We've been keeping this thing nice and clean. Looking under the door. Little hole there. Right in that area. Coming up in the jam. Looking pretty clean. Nice seat. It's not wore out or anything. I like that fabric, it feels good. You got mats in the floor instead of carpet. I like that a lot better. It's easier to clean and keep clean and keep smells out of your cars. If you go with the mat, it does help with that. It's like somebody's hit that with some spray paint or something. There's some runs, but the rest of it looks good. Coming across the dash, pretty clean. I can't stand behind mileage on this. It's just, I can't even read what it's saying. It says 64,000. I guess that's what it'd be. Now, what did I do with those keys? Oh, I hid them from myself. Emergency brake on this one does work. Go ahead and place your bets. Does the horn work? Tach is coming up. Gas gauge is showing we have fuel. Blower motor is working. So we should have some heat. I don't know what that is. Huh. Well, we'll turn the lights on anyways and make sure that's not a new high beam switch, even though they're on the floor normally. Horn, it works. Turn signals popping up on the dash on both sides. Fire extinguisher down on the floor. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, I'm not sure what that actually does. Okay. Motor's nice and quiet. great. Up under the hood looks good. It's like fairly new turn signals. Coming down with the hood, it comes down very easy. I'm barely pushing on it. While we got it up a little bit, we'll look along the edge here. Got a couple of them little bubbles. That's that chemical peel that I'm talking about right there. See real small specks, look like acne. Come on down with it. Yep, now got to shut her firm. That's right. Headlights all are on. I turned them on and they're working. Hood's in great shape. I'm not really seeing a whole lot of flaws. Right here, there's a little flaw there. A couple little bubbles. Got like a greenish tint popping up on some of these little panels there, right in the middle. It does look blue up close, and then you kind of back off and it looks purple. This thing does change colors on you. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We'll start up here in the front, go all the way around the ride, and get her on the road. I do have detailed pictures of this one at maplemotors.com, so go and check that out. Tail lights are on. Okay. I'm getting ready to take this thing down the road for a test drive. I encourage you to jump along and ride with us. I'll put the video up so you can easily access it. Here at the last 30 seconds of this video, it should be popping up soon. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share, and check out more vehicles from Maple Motors. I update every Monday with new cars. We're starting a new thing here. Every Monday we're going to put on 10 cars. Every Saturday we're closing from now on. We're going to be full staffed from Monday to Friday, and everybody's going to be off Saturday and Sunday. Makes it a lot easier. People will always be here. The guy that you were dealing with, let's say he was off on a Monday before, well, he'll always be here now, except for Saturdays. So don't try to come up on Saturdays, because June 1st we're starting the new hours. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.